Alright guys, welcome back to Lad's Garage. We are getting ready to hit the dough run to go racing. But we're not driving our usual 4 bang banger. They're going to be driving Thunderbird over there. I don't know if Jason knows it or not, but that's what we're doing. Another reason why we're taking the Thunderbird, because, well, the Pinto ain't in here. But you can see on the ground where the Pinto normally sits, a bunch of orange paint. We might show you that here in another video. Get the door open. I guess we'll have to do it the old bow and look this way. Figure the door. Come here, Daniel.
Okay. Not up in. Yeah. You bring me up in here.
Come on.
Oh, let's you bring.
Alright, let's figure this thing out here.
I don't know where you got at. I don't know where you got at.
You gotta scoot your feet back. Here, sit over to the side. So, here, put your foot over there. Figure out where your center is on this thing.
Did he row?
I don't know. I've never been in this car.
Oh God. Did he get it?
Find us a spot where we can roll back into the pit stall. Alright. We're all set up. Ready to put you guys in the car. Don't know what we're going to expect tonight. Never drove this car. Don't know how it's going to drive. We're just going to wheel it.
trigger the 44.
Good job, Mr. Ladd.
Stay pressured and back to the original lineup we go. Green flag.
I think the tires started getting it went from get really easy driving to a handful really quick. Well, we're done. Ended up with the 3rd place finish. That's about all I had in me. That's all we had. Daniel. He's tired. He's out. We're gonna run home, get us some Taco Bell on the way home. If I can find my wallet. My wallet over there, boy. There it is. So we got ended up 3rd. I don't know if it was just me or if tires gave out or what, but that's the best run that car's had in at least this year. So we're gonna head home and see what we can come up with tomorrow. Alright guys, quick recap just to close out this video. It's been a couple days. I'm still trying to reel in what all I actually took on Friday night. So we went out, hot laps, car kind of developed a little bit of a mess towards the end of hot laps, and I messaged Jason and I said, hey, this thing's kind of got a mess to it, and he said, run her till she blows. Aye, aye, Captain. So I went out in a heat race, starting front row outside. I think I was outside, I can't remember. And long story short, somehow or another, we pulled a heat race win off. I didn't feel very smooth out there, but guy pit next to me, he's like, man, you look like you've been driving that car for years. So I was like, okay. Go out in the feature. Most normally we would have started front row inside, but Del Run uses passing points, so Kyle Jarrett started on the inside. Better for me, because I know that I was more comfortable with that car on the high side. But in all my years of racing, I can't remember ever racing on a track that actually had a sound cushion, and Del Run had a sound cushion Friday night. Really, the track was about two cars wide. That's about all we could really do without getting up into that cushion, and had a good strong battle with Kyle Jarrett, Austin Harris. We were fighting it pretty good for the lead. But, you know, eventually Andre the Giant wore down Hulk Hogan, you know. Me, I got wore down. Bounced off that cushion, I guess, one too many times, and I just couldn't handle it no more. And I settled down for a 3rd place finish. I mean, not a biggie. I can't thank Jason enough for finally letting me drive the car. Been wanting to drive it all year. I mean, I settled in Pinto. I was happy in the Pinto, but we went out there on our own. Jason went with us. He was at Farmington with the Pinto, actually racing vintage cars. So he did show up and watch the feature. I mean, that was one heck of a battle. I think we ran into 2 issues. One was driver error. I believe the car, I could have walked off and left them guys, but I was making a lot of errors myself, and I didn't feel smooth in the heat race, and I definitely wasn't smooth in the feature. So there was a lot of driver error, and 2 is that right rear tire was just about gone by the end of the feature. So we'll regroup. It was the last race of the year for Del Run, probably my last year for race for the season. We'll regroup, we'll move on, but we gotta get back to work, because it's time to start our trucking diaries video for today. So y'all stay safe out there. We'll catch you around. We got plenty of projects coming up soon, so stay on the lookout. God bless you. Stay safe out there.